Hello Internet, today I'm going to talk to you about this beautiful 2000 Mustang GT with clean title and 189,000 all-original miles. The entire car is factory stock with no aftermarket add-ons. It has an all-original engine with a 4.6-liter single overhead cam V8 with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The exterior paint is factory crystal white and is in fair to good condition, while the interior is black with black leather seats and is in good to excellent condition. The radio and head unit is original with an AM/FM cassette and CD player, and is also equipped with a factory-installed Mach 460 sound system. The AC blows cold and the heater blows hot. The trunk has ample storage space and has an undercarriage with a spare tire, tire iron, and jack. The trunk can easily be accessed from within the cabin simply by folding down the two back seats. The rims are original 18-inch factory stock Mustang GT rims with Goodyear Eagle RSA tires. Other features include power windows, power locks, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power driver's seat, power mirrors, airbags, and rear window defroster. The car just passed smog and was registered in January for 2016 in the state of California. The engine was recently serviced by a Ford certified mechanic shop and was given a clean bill of health.
Alright, so this is another great car from Andrews Autos. Thanks for watching the in-depth tour of my 2000 Mustang GT.